will really hurt us.
What are you saying, zombie? Oh no! My children have turned into lightsaber wielding zombies. Oh, they're robot zombies. What is worse than a robot zombie? Is a robot zombie with a lightsaber and a bat. What is worse than robot zombies? Okay, I'm gonna defeat you.
No, you're not.
How do you defeat robot zombies?
By putting poison ivy on our heads.
Poison ivy on your head? I got some poison ivy. I got some poison ivy on your head. I'm gonna put some poison ivy on your head.
No.
Okay, you got poison ivy in your head. Dun, dun. Now I've got your lightsaber. I am a zombie.